from in the beginning, and we believe in a killing, non-stop blood spilling, boy, I forget killing. Talk them willing, tiny double gripping. Yeah, I got the artilleries and extra clipping. What happened to kill him? Come on, him want to threat it. So we got to kill him. Blood spilling, find it interesting. Knife would expose him testing. Leave him on the ground, him resting.
Yo, leave him at 90 away. Shoot on this sniper, shoot.
Where them money are approved, boss? Them think them could have just killed Top Cat and walk free?
Real talk still. But what that have to do with bomb buckler at me? Them man they are killer, you know.
To kill a killer, it take a bigger killer.
Yo, me dying for CD. When I done do him dirty work for himself, you know.
Just get it done. You take it, make a statement. Nobody leave alive. Not even the dog. Get it done.
Where G, what going on a while ago?
No, say, G yourself go kill people. Lie! Yo, we are kill a boy rebel.
What?
Yeah, man. Time, you see.
This is it?
Yeah, man.
Them boy, the blood now, take blood now, signature last week. Eh?
Yeah, man, we're going to take him out. You hear that?
Ah, that they talk about that. I don't think you're glad like me, no, yo.
Cool,
See
no,
how
man.
give me toe tight, yo. Give me toe tight the bad machine, yo. Give me toe.
Yeah. So what kind of empty machine the general give man to go up and work? It's a joke thing.
But what, see, we have link with farmer, you see me, we have life farm.
Alright, that's
Right, that's true. Watch us now. See, you get calm for this. Yeah, I hate this, you know. Them boy they take out Top Cat last week. Eve, man, I go Eve, me bum buckler school, you know that, man, I tell you, you know, hear that.
Raven Hill. Inside the sea man who chop up Top Cat. My general, my mentor, them take him slow and messy. No forgiveness, no truth, only retribution. Pussies.
It's alright. That one knows how we are going to deal with it post-foot.
Yo, so we're gonna knock on the front door.
No, me know why them call it hurt, dog. Got too much pain, people. Rip me up, make you see so much tears, so much burden, too much weight. Too much people, so much fake. Why them call it hurt, dog? Got too much pain, people. Rip me up, make you see so much tears, so much burden, too much weight. Too much people, so much fake. Yeah, a man mean and no mankind. Them heart unclean and them bad mind. I can cheer, some confide.
I'm gonna be iron like a lion in Zion. I'm gonna be iron.
Ja Rastafari! Don't miss Levels of Consciousness, the Ital Reggae Festival, January 10 in Portmore.
Yo, where are they? No, tell me no rubbish, no must no rubbish there, you know. Tell me no man. Oh, bumbo clock. Bumbo, yo, man. Where are they there? Where are they there? Oh, you feel like you are the lucky one, to them dead, and you there, oh, you have me to deal with, yeah? Oh, where rebel there? I don't know that, I don't know, brother, I don't know. No, don't run this up. Yo, barefoot the dog, I get to it. Yo, beer.
This is how it come to. Picnic in the mix. A coincidence or just an unfortunate casualty of war. This left for reason, but what a reason with me. Me have blood on my hand.
See man, I get to dog.
This is what them want. Them want to be a fucking monster.
Yo, barefoot. You see man, I get to dog. Nothing all left, yeah.
If Shadow betray you, you have to get wiped out.
Father, as I come before your mercy seat, I ask your Father to cover me under your blood. Father, you see the situation that we're going through and where we are. Father, you bless me with them two boys here. I may I beg your Father to cover them under your blood. Comprehensive coverage, Father God.
This is over consequence. Them not have any chance. gonna see the boy we in there.
You can't take him now. Remember to we have to fight.
Yo, go to some blood clot.